tubers and tubettes, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special episode for you today, and I'm going to be unboxing the iSeries 8 Apple Watch. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thank you for joining me on today's episode, okay? Thank you for over 800 subs. Okay, now I'm going to do the unboxing. Are you ready? Now I'm using the Apple Watch Series 7, as you can see, and this is the Series 7, so I'm upgrading to the version 8. As you can see, this is the box here, so this is version 8, so I'm going to be unboxing it in front of you. So I hope really hope you enjoyed today's episode. I just finished doing the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and now I'm going to be doing the Apple Watch Series 8. Now, the reason I upgraded is because I use it every day, and sometimes my battery runs out. So hopefully with this new watch, I use it every day. So for example, let me give you an example from my today's workout. Today I did 11 kilometers, 0.65 kilometers. My BPM is 92, average pace 24:59, active kcal is 811. And I've been working out for 4 hours and 51 minutes. So check that out. I'm not too sure if you could see that, but let me take it off for you so you can get a better view. Hold on. Can you? Oh, you can't see that. I gotta put in my password. Hold on a second. Okay, here. So that's my today's workout. So I use it every day. So this is the Series 7. I'm going to be unboxing the Series 8. So just give me a second, okay? Now I got this light purple one. I ordered the dark purple. So let's open up this baby, and I'm going to give it 3 kisses. Watch me. That's 1 kiss. I'll give it 1 more. And 1 more. I believe this is the 45 millimeter. So the 45 millimeter is the the bigger one. It's not the smaller version. So just let me check. I'm gonna get the scissors now, and I'm gonna be doing the unboxing part. So get ready, okay, for a really great episode, okay, tubers and tubettes. So okay, I have my scissors here. So here are the scissors here, as you can see. Okay. I don't need it now because I'm just going to pull it here. Okay, here it goes. You ready? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Here it goes. I've been waiting 1 year for this, as you can see. So I'm a really hardcore Apple fan, and I like to work out every day. So my Apple Watch keeps me busy every day, and I turn it on every day. But sometimes I run out of battery. And now they came out with a new software version. I think it's called Watch OS. I forgot if it's 8 or 9. But anyways, they came out with a new version where you can have it goes into like a power saving mode. Now, as you can see, I'm opening it now. Just give me a second. Okay, there it goes. So this is coming from, just let me read the box, from Singapore. Okay. And here it is. Here it is. So just let me put the box on the side here. Okay, here it is. Apple Watch Series 8. Okay, now as you can see, it's very beautiful. Okay. So let's open this baby up. Now I ordered a charger. I got the 20-watt charger, fast charging. So 20 watt is in my room right now, so I'm going to be charging this baby up. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be linking this to all my devices, my iPad, my iPhone, and my MacBook Pro. Once I link this to all my devices, and then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna format the iSeries 7. So this is the iSeries 8. As you can see, this is the midnight aluminum case, 45 milliliters. So here are all the details here, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to be opening this baby up, and as you can see, the color is, I'm not too sure if they write the color on here. It's made in China. Oh, here it is, elderberry sport band. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Now I know it doesn't come with a charger, so you need to get a charger with it. Don't forget to get a charger, okay? 2 person, 2 beds. Okay. Unboxing. Wow, I love this because this device I use every day. I check the time, I answer calls. Now this is the cellular version, so cellular is an extra 200 baht a month. And what the cellular does is, so this is the band here, you see. This is the sport band. So it's 2 packages, so I'm just going to be opening this up, okay? Let's open up the sport band. And it comes in 2 packages, okay? So let's just open this up here. And this is the sport band stainless steel. I'm not going to be changing the band because I like sport band because usually I'm sweating a lot when I work out. Like for example, today I did like 30 minutes elliptical machine, and then I did 30 minutes cardio. So let's get this bad boy out. Okay. Now they always come with these like little stickers and stuff sometimes, but the iPhone came with a sticker, but this one I don't think it comes with a sticker. Okay, I'm eyeballing it right now. Okay, just let me put this in here real quick, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, so here it is. Here's the sport band. So I got the dark purple one because right now I'm using the light purple. Okay, so I got the dark purple, so I can match my iPhone the purple color. So I'm gonna be putting it together. Just give me a second here. 2 person, 2 beds. So just let me get it focused here. Okay, so here goes the Watch Series 8 45mm midnight aluminum cell. Okay, so this is cellular version. So cellular version is basically what means like if you're not near your iPhone, you can still answer calls, and you still get you still can use the data connectivity. So. Okay, and I'm unboxing this now because I just got it in the mail. So. Oh my god, I gotta be careful with this. Let me put this on the table because I'm afraid I might drop it. It's so expensive. It was like 20,000 baht, so that's like roughly, I think it's like $600. So, yeah. Okay. Here it is, guys. So this is the bad boy here. And it's ready to go. And I got the same color, midnight black, because I like midnight black because it's basically there it is. It's beautiful, isn't it? So it's basically, I think it's the same design as last year. The only difference and improvement they said is that it comes with a temperature sensor and it has like accident detection. And I'm not too sure if this country will support the accident detection. Detection, but I think now it's only supported in USA, North America, and Canada. But Apple said that they will provide other countries that will be supported. So, for example, like other countries around the world, I'm not too sure, but they will. Other countries will be supported. So there it is. Now I'm not too sure if I got to call my cell phone company or I have, because I have to link it with the cellular. So I'll try calling my phone company today and see if they can do it. If not, I'll have to walk into the shop. And there it is, guys. It's very beautiful. Can you see? And that's the back. It's the midnight aluminum. So it's basically aluminum and it's midnight. Okay, so basically it's like black and it's aluminum, so it's definitely hardcore. It's ready to go. Let me try putting the band on it now because we have plenty of time here, so I'm going to try putting on the band right now. So I got like 5 more minutes left, so okay, so let's try to put the band on now. I got to follow the instructions here, so let me read it. Okay, to attach the band, it says I have to slide until you hear a click. Okay, so let's see here. I'm not too sure. Okay, this is size ML. So I can't use size. I can't use the small one. I think I got to use the ML because the one I'm using now is ML. So, all right, just let me try to put this, install it here, and then I'll give you, see if I can do it or not. Let me see how I did it for my old one. Okay. So you see the long one goes in the bottom and the short one goes in the top. Okay, just let me close it. Okay, that locks into place perfectly. Now let me put on the second piece, the second part, as you can see, okay? Just give me some time here, 2 birds and 2 bets, hold on. Okay, the Apple Watch just turned on, as you can see. So it's ready to go, but I still have to charge it. Give me a second, 2 birds and 2 bets. Hold on. It's not clicking, just give me a second. Let me see how this one is, hold on, I gotta take a, oh, I see, I have to point it the other way. So I installed it the wrong way. Just give me a second. Okay, let me put that in there. Okay, that's perfect. So that's how it should go, and then you should hear it click like that. Okay. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm going to be putting it on my wrist and to test it out to see if it's the right fit and finish. So just let me put it on my wrist now. I like using number 3. So. But in terms of specs and everything like that, yeah, there's not too much different from last year. Okay, so see, that fits perfect, you see? It's a perfect fit. So that's 7 on my left, and this is Series 8 on my right. So you see, it's the same. But the specs are different a little bit improvements, small improvements and small increments. Let me try this small band here. Hold on a second, because I'm not even sure if I can put the small one on there. Let me just take this out real quick and let me see if I can. Oh, I gotta push this button here in the back. Make sure you push the button on the back if you want to take it out, okay? There's a small one here, but I think it's too small for me. Hold on. I'm gonna put the small one on just to check it, okay? But I think it's too small for me. Okay. I'm trying the small, the SM size now, but I think it's gonna be too small for me, so. Yeah, this is way too small for me, I think. Yeah, you see, it's too small. I can't wear it. I'm putting it on the 5th one. I could wear it, but it's too tight. Yeah, it's definitely for ladies. I'm taking it off right now. It's too tight. So I can wear it, but it's just too tight. I like a loose fit, so I'm taking it off. Yeah, I think it's definitely for women, for girls. So the SM size is for girls because they usually have a smaller wrist. Okay, and I'm gonna put the ML back on, okay? The medium size, because I'm a guy and we have bigger hands and we usually have bigger wrists. Okay, I'm gonna put that in place. Okay, there we go. So there it is, Apple Watch Series 8. It's ready to go. So I'm just gonna link it to all my devices. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I only got about a minute left, so I'm just gonna be putting it away now. So just let me put all this away, and then I'm gonna get out of here because I have a lot of stuff to do today. I still have a lot of stuff to do, so I hope you enjoyed today's episode of unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8. And now I gotta get out of here now, so. Okay, 2 birds and 2 bets. Have a fantastic day, have a dandy day wherever you're at in the world. Remember, hit like and subscribe to my channel, and when you help others, they'll help you back. Okay, I'm gonna be getting out of here now because it was raining today a little bit, so I gotta get out of here now. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now, okay? Bye-bye.